Egoli kanyama ngayipheli kuphela amazinyo endoda ngibingelele KZN yonke jikelele kweleka mdlokombane vukume ngentaba nibingelela uThabisa uquma maqombana selesele lentaba iyona ke insizwa lena igama layo uJub eyaduma ngayo ke igama iculo lemnandi ngendlela esimangaliso elithi ndikhokhele uzokhumbula ke lensizwa ke inohlelo olumnandi ngendlela esimangaliso laphana ke kuyi channel 157 ukuthi DStv elibizwa ke ngokuthi ke uyajola 99 oludumeka ngendlela ke isimangaliso ikwazile ke ukuthi ke iphumela obala yona ke ikhulume mayelana nalesimo esikhona ke KZN kanjalo ke nase Gauteng ukuthi ke abantu ke abaneme ngendlela ke uhulumeni enza ngayo akawuyibukela ulaleli
whatever that you're doing mina as uJub namaswitamnani I've got a show that the lower people are watching. I've got the same show that I'm doing for the lower people. I've got the same show that the lower people, I go to my people out there. I know what it is for people out there in Babona which they are suffering. I'm from Orlando East. I see starvation. I see people hungry. I see people going through the most every day. I see it, and it's not cool. The government is not doing anything about it. So and our solution, I'm not going to be helping the president to say anything. Okay? That 500 billion that got looted in a month. That 500 billion the economy. Exactly whose economy is it? Because it's not our economy. It's not our economy. So that 500 billion that was looted in a month is the same 500 billion is supposed to fix up all this whole internal infrastructure of the country. All the businesses that lost everything. My businesses are insured. They're fine. Do you understand what I'm saying? So all these businesses that people are looting from, that 500 billion will fix that. We don't even know where this 500 billion comes from. Maleo are supposed to help. People are crying out. People have been crying out. In KZN, people are going 4 months without water. What do you call that? 4 months. 4 months. 4 months without water. Like, how do you explain? People are stealing water. People are stealing food. What the fuck do you expect them to do? What do you expect them to do? When are you out on social media? You guys are judging. You guys are now out there saying, oh, what is happening is not right. It is not right. And the people that are very influential, the people that are influential, we are out here, we are keeping quiet. We're keeping quiet. We're not saying anything. So somebody please give me some sort of understanding, Oguti. Why am my fellow artists, my fellow people in the industry keeping quiet when this is an opportunity? This is an opportunity for us to be standing together. This is an opportunity for us at this time to actually stand up and stand as one and say enough is enough. Ukoko, my sister, my cousin, my brother, Umkulu, they've been starving. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. And I don't care who's saying what on the comments. I don't care who's saying what. This is the truth. And if somebody is not going to speak out because they're scared to lose their contracts, or they're scared to lose my endorsement, or they're scared because they're busy with my tender, with my government, it's got nothing to do with me. But all I'm saying is that, like, something has to be done. And if it means that the nation has to cry out loud, like the way Bakananga Kona March, then let it be so that they can hear. Imagine we out here, we listening to what the president is saying. The president is not saying anything. This is not about Zuma. This is not about what. This is not like, the president is not saying anything with the solution as of seas. He's talking about soldiers going out there. He's talking about whatever. At the end of the day, if the whole society stands as one, and we say enough is enough, let me ask you something. If people had jobs, if people had shelter, if that money was not eaten, do you think this would be happening? This would not be happening. It's not happening in other countries where there's enough shelter. People are actually using the money where it's supposed to be. I'm not saying there's no corruption, but even if the corruption is there, make sure, Uguti, Tina, as the people out there, we are being taken care of. We are being taken care of. And influential people are not saying anything. This is what is disgusting me. This is what is disgusting me. Uguti, my friend, like, these are the same people on the lower end that are watching our shows. These are the very same people that are coming to our gigs. These are the very same people. And then from it is came. When they're going out there and they're doing what they're supposed to be doing to feed their own families. I'm not talking about Lady Malezi, or Chonchi Basket, I'm talking about people that really need this thing. Like people that go out 4 months without water, sanitization, all the stuff. These are the things that I'm talking about. And I'm calling out to all my fellow South Africans and celebrities. Ogoti, it's time that we stand as one. Stop being punks. Stop being punks and hiding behind your fake life. This whole industry is fake. Everything is fake because these people don't care about you. All they care about is themselves. All they care about is what things that they do or what Louis Vuittons and what they're wearing and all those. They don't care about that. They don't care about that. I take 10% of my salary, I give to who I can give. I take 10% of my salary every month, and I make sure that I give to the needy. But the whole country is suffering, and I'm asking for help about that. And then we're not gonna sing or whatever.
Insizwa ke lena ke uJub ikhombisile ke ukuba ke nesibindi ke ngendlela ke isimangaliso okwakho ke kulula kakhulu ukuthi ugijime uyopressa lapha ke ku subscribe button bese ke uzokwazi ukuthi noma kanjani masiphinda futhi sifake enye video nakuwena futhi kwazi ke noma kanjani ukuthi ukubikele khona uzohamba ugijime nawe uyokwazi ke noma kanjani ke ukuthi ke ubuke phinde futhi ke lapha ke ucomment phinde futhi ke ulike emakufanele kanti ke unlike ema ubona ukuthi cha ivideo le ayihlabahlosile ngendlela mhlambe ufisa ukuthi wena ibe ngakhona mina ke kwami sekuphelile kuphela khona la kuphela khona manje Thabiso umaqumbano wakacele nangokuzazi siphinde sihlangane futhi danki ngiyabonga